Every raindrop, every curve of the land is an opportunity that nature offers us. By bringing our vision of sustainability to life, we're on the lookout for technologies that help us live in harmony with it. Every electric impulse, every algorithm, these are our technologies that are inspired by nature. We study engineering, technology, and the natural sciences because that's the only way to truly improve the world, not to exploit it. The latest technologies drive progress and protect our planet. We're learning not just how to build the future, but also how to take care of it. The future starts here, today, with every decision we make. Join our community and become the creator of tomorrow, right now. Sustainable engineering, where people, technology, and nature work together. Lietuvos inžinerijos kolegija, higher education institution.